automatic oil extraction plant by Azad Engineering Company. This is the control panel. First oil expeller, first bucket elevator, second oil expeller, second bucket elevator, third oil expeller, third bucket elevator. And the cake that falls from the first oil expeller is transferred to the first elevator. It carries to the top on the first floor where the common screw conveyor is, which comes down, again feeds this oil expeller. The cake which comes out from this oil expeller goes on to the second bucket elevator, goes up, then the top screw conveyor feeds the third oil expeller, and from the third oil expeller the cake which comes out is carried on top to the common screw conveyor on the top, where it is collected for final cake packaging. The oil that is recovered is filtered through the filter press and then packed. This is the staircase that we have made for going on to the first floor, where the bucket elevators and screw conveyors come up, because they are approximately 16 to 18 feet in height. And this is the top view of the bucket elevators and screw conveyors on top, where the shooting is done, feeding of the raw material is done. This is the first chute from where the raw material, the seed that goes into the first oil expeller. After the crushing, the cake from the first oil expeller comes on top through this bucket elevator, then fed onto this screw conveyor, which feeds it onto the intake chute of the second oil expeller, this one. Then the cake from the second oil expeller is brought up through this bucket elevator and is fed again to the screw conveyor, which carries it forward to the intake chute of the third oil expeller. This is the third oil expeller intake chute. And then from the third oil expeller, after the cake has been finely crushed and the oil recovered, the cake is again brought up from this third bucket elevator on top. This bucket elevator again feeds the cake onto this screw conveyor, and finally a gunny bag or tray or wherever, how you want to collect your cake residue, comes out from here. You pack it here and you can store it on top, and when finally you want to sell it, you bring it down. So this screw conveyor is a single piece screw conveyor, runs independently on a motor, electric motor. These bucket elevators also run independently and it's connected with the electric motor. The screw conveyors at the bottom they run with the bucket elevators itself. They are both connected by chain and pulley, and they run with the bucket elevator. I'll just show it to you. This is the bucket elevator, which is from the top is coming down, and on the bucket elevator shaft here is the chain sprocket. This is a screw conveyor, there is a chain sprocket. Both are connected with a chain. So when the bucket elevator runs, the screw conveyor also runs. And these there are 3 oil expellers, so we have put 3 screw conveyors, and they run along with the bucket elevators. So one bucket elevator, one screw conveyor at the bottom is running together. There you see chain sprocket, and in front also there is a chain sprocket. There. So they're connected with a chain, and same is for the third oil expeller. Screw conveyor. This helps the bucket elevator runs with a single motor 3 HP along with the screw conveyor. So for any details, you can always send us an email or talk to us. We are at Azad Engineering Company, C83 Bulandshahr Road, Industrial Area, Ghaziabad. 201009 is the pin code in India. and the state in India is Uttar Pradesh, UP. The proprietor of this unit or the firm manufacturing company, Azad Company, is Gurjeet Singh. And finally the oil filter press. The oil from the oil expellers, when they come out, we are connected with a common pipe from on the bottom of oil expellers, and they come together, and then this pipe goes to the raw oil tank, and from the raw oil tank the filter press picks it up, lifts it and sends it to the filter press for filtration of oil. Common line. This is a long steam kettle for cooking of oil seeds. The long steam kettle softens the seed, easy for the machines to crush, less load on the motor and less wear and tear of the worms and the cage bars. And gives you better cake and oil. Azad Engineering Company, C83, Bulandshahr Road, Industrial Area, Ghaziabad 201009, Uttar Pradesh, India. Proprietor Gurjeet Singh.